world of celebrities, controversial media personality Denrele Edun has hinted at being bisexual while responding to an ex-user who questioned his sexuality. The Nigerian social media user with the handle Big Tarantino wrote, "Sorry, but is Denrele gay?" In response, Denrele Edun used the word gay as an acronym for different words, as he gave a controversial statement saying he is a sexual outlaw. Who is BI? A word often used for individuals who are bisexual. He wrote, "Gay as in gorgeous and young, graceful and beautiful, or best, good as you. Who you go to bed as is different from who you go to bed with." So to answer your question, I plainly leave it out here. I'm a sexual outlaw. Who's BI your side? In other news, Nigerian Afrobeat sensation Ahmed Ololade, popularly known as Shake, has opened up about the reason behind his new name. NaijaNews reports that Shake recently unveiled a new appearance showcasing facial tattoos and a shorter hairstyle different from his signature dreadlocks. His new appearance has left many citizens wondering what inspired the transformation. Speaking during an interview on the red carpet at the 2025 Grammy Awards on Sunday, Shake mentioned that his pursuit of comfort and self-expression has driven his transformation. The singer said it was all about feeling comfortable in his skin, adding that his current looks were a personal choice that may change at any time. For more trending entertainment news stories and exclusive videos, please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.